Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite breakfast recipes, callaloo and saltfish, otherwise known as codfish. Callaloo is a leafy green vegetable packed with vitamins A and C, calcium, iron, and fiber, making it a nutritional powerhouse. Now let's get cooking. So I'll be using the callaloo in a can. Not everyone is a fan of this, so it's best if you purchase your fresh to cut callaloo from your local grocery store, or maybe someone who plants this in their backyard. Natural is always best. I will leave a list of the ingredients in the description box below. Wash and chop your vegetables. Please boil your saltfish before preparation. This actually helps get rid of the excessive salt. Break the saltfish apart in small pieces. Now let's make the flour dough. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar. So I'm going ahead and have 2 tablespoons of butter. So butter is used to enhance the flavor and improve the texture. Add half cup of water. So now that we have all our ingredients ready, our saltfish, our callaloo, I made sure to rinse the callaloo after removing it from the can, our vegetables, bell pepper, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic. To a hot saucepan, add oil, add your vegetables, mix, saute, let it release its delicious flavor. Now add our saltfish, and then add the callaloo next and stir. Add your dry powder seasoning, whole bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, pimento seed, this is optional, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 2 tablespoons of butter. This gives it a nice taste. In the meantime, let's fry our dumplings. Roll them up in a ball, whichever shape you like. Keep the fire on low heat. This way the flour will cook slowly from the inside. Avoid burning the dumplings, because trust me, that's the worst. Don't nobody want no burnt dumplings. Wow, this looks healthy and delicious. Ready to serve? Callaloo and saltfish can be enjoyed any time of the day, people. I love having it for breakfast. I pair this up with some fried plantains and a thick slice of avocado pear. Guys, let me know if you would try this recipe. And as always, thanks for watching.